Steve here with this month's Culture Corner. First of all, let me just say that this most recent Power Hour that we had, which is our company-wide Zoom call, was outstanding. Unfortunately, we did not get a chance to hit the record button. Very sorry about that. Good news is we'll have our next one August 2nd. Please do all you can to be a part of that. It is worth every minute. So on that call, we started talking about E.O.S. What is E.O.S? E.O.S stands for Entrepreneurial Operating System. And it's what Populist has been running under for a few years now, right? So E.O.S breaks down any business in any industry into its 6 main components. Today, I just wanted to briefly touch on the vision component. Great place to start. We all need to know where we're going and how we're going to get there, right? And so, you are our quality partner. If you don't already know, our vision is to provide you with as many possible opportunities both for your professional and your personal growth. How we're going to get there, you ask? How are we going to do that? Through our comprehensive staff support and our outstanding customer care. And so whether you're a rock star or a superstar, we see you, we need you, and we appreciate you. And it's very important that we are all on the same page with where we're going and how we're going to get there, right? That's what kind of started the Power Hour, to make sure everybody's on board and have a little fun while we're at it, all right? It's not easy what we do. And so it's just great to be a part of this journey as we continue on this vision. So it's amazing. All right, everybody, that's all I got this month. And I hope you all have a great rest of your month. Let's get it.